What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So a week ago I got sick, and so for the past week I've just been feeling like crap, and all I've been doing is just lying here in bed. And something I realized is that it was really difficult for me to like try to watch Netflix on my iPad in bed. And so I went to Amazon, and like I've had this product in my wish list for a really long time. And so this video is gonna be all about this little product that I bought off Amazon. So basically it's just a little arm that you can attach to pretty much anything. You can attach it to a table, or for me I'm gonna attach it to the side of my bed. And it's a stand for like your tablet, or I've seen people use it for their Nintendo Switch. So this particular one is from Try One. I know there are like a bunch of different ones on Amazon, so this is the one that I went with. So it looks like this. It's just a little arm, and then it comes with this little thing for your tablet, I guess. That's what it looks like with the iPad in it. So ideally, I guess I'm gonna clamp this to the side of my bed here. My problem here is that I have this nightstand right next to my bed. I do wish that this arm was longer, but I'm gonna go figure this out, and maybe I'll give a little update in a couple of days. So fast forward a few days and here I am. I found a way to sort of clamp this to my bed. It's connected to the frame of my bed, so like this arm comes up over here. And overall impressions, like I'm really liking this thing. I mean, it like generally works, which is like the best I could ask for. Pretty much my only sort of downfall with this product is that I wish the arm was longer. But I mean, I was hoping that, you know, I could have the iPad sort of right above my pillow, so, you know, I could lie down and face the ceiling or whatever. But on the side, you know, it works fine. And of course, like this arm is adjustable, so like if I'm sitting in the office chair over there, I can actually turn this iPad so it'll be facing the chair or whatever. And in case you're wondering, like I have put the Switch in here, and like I've been playing Fortnite in bed sometimes. It's really cool and comfortable, but mainly I've just had my iPad in here. Like I've been putting on Netflix or a YouTube video or something. I like to have background noise like while I sleep. So recently I've just been putting on like episodes of Friends while I sleep. One of my big fears is that this thing will like break and the iPad is gonna hit me in the face or something while I'm sleeping. Luckily that hasn't happened, so, you know, cross your fingers. Anyway, once again, like I really like this. It's like a really cool little novelty to have. I will leave the Amazon link to the stand in the comments. Feel free to check it out or pick it up. I think it's like $20 or $30. But thank you for watching this video, and I will talk to you again soon. Bye.